In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on a Facebook post. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com on a desktop. Locate the post where you want to disable comments. If you're creating a new post, write and publish it first. Once the post is up, go to your profile by tapping the menu icon and selecting your profile name. Find the post you want to edit, then tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Next, select Edit Privacy and ensure the post privacy is set to public. This is required to adjust the comment settings. Once done, refresh your Facebook app or browser. Now, tap the three dots on the post again and select who can comment on this post. You'll see three options: public, friends, and profiles and pages you mentioned. Choose profiles and pages you mentioned to restrict comments. That's it. Now, no one except mentioned profiles can comment on your post. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.